Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are answering a question that's been haunting your storage: how to clean your Android phone from junk files. Let us get rid of the digital clutter and make your phone feel like it just moved into a new apartment. Here's a quick overview of what we will cover. 1. Use the built-in cleaner. 2. Clear cache. 3. Delete unwanted files. 4. Uninstall unused app. Let us clean your mess. 1. Use the built-in cleaner. Go to Cleaner and tap Cleanup to let your phone do the work. It will sweep away junk like a digital Roomba. No effort required. Just sit back and relax. 2. Clear cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps. Pick your app and hit Clear Cache. It is like giving your apps a nice, relaxing detox. They will thank you. 3. Delete unwanted files. Open File Manager and scroll through your files. That random downloaded photo from random websites? Gone. Old memories? See ya. Declutter your phone like it is a spring cleaning spree. This applies to all files. To swipe away those old memories, like text from your ex or photos from the date that went nowhere. Time to clear the clutter. 4. Uninstall unused apps. Head to Settings, Apps, and wave goodbye to apps you haven't used since 2020. Free up space and give your phone some breathing room. And that's it, everyone. 4 easy ways to clean junk files on your Android phone. Whether it is using the built-in cleaner, clearing app cache, deleting old files, or uninstalling unused apps. Simple, right? If this guide made your phone feel brand new, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech tips. Hey, drop a comment. What is the most random junk file you have deleted? Until next time, keep scanning and stay connected with Wireless Solutions. Bye for now.